anybody hear that, right? It was done to me maliciously. It was done to me, and people are harassing me. It was done to me. So, are we listening, people? So, your favorite creator can go down for that. I want y'all to understand. I don't have this attorney up here posting up Homeland Security. She has Homeland Security. This ain't Google. This is Homeland Security. This is federal.
You can actually Google this and find this exact document. It ain't hard, but it's from the department. It's an infographic from the Department of Homeland Security, and you see
This is
the
why
emblem on the background on there. That's
This
their
is why,
emblem.
for those of you that have given me people's names and all the things, I have not put it out because I've done my own research. I get a lot of y'all think y'all smarty arty pantses, but friends, not dumb. I have each and every last person's name and address that have doxed me, but I will not dox them. I refuse to do that because some things need to be remained quiet. The doxing of my children, illegal. Illegal. Illegal.
I'll switch to that page too.
Oh, go ahead. I'll let you read it to them.
Yeah,
Since they all smart, child. Now, mind you, I brought a real lawyer in here. And everybody is a TikTok lawyer. Everybody is a TikTok doctor. Everybody is a TikTok police. Right? HB.
I can show my credentials.
Oh, I'm sure I saw yours on the wall, honey. I saw yours on the wall. We, me and you have talked. I saw yours on the wall, so I ain't worried about these
Yeah,
folks.
you can look. You can look me up too.
I ain't worried about these folks. These folks need to get some real credentials. I listen to people with the fucking licenses. Google is what Google does. Kiana, I could sue you. HB, I could sue you too. Because I have never doxed either one of y'all or even given your real names. So y'all be putting stuff on yourselves. I don't do stupid shit like that. Hey, Britt. Hey, TT. I don't do stupid shit like that because I know. Go ahead, Attorney Mimi. Continue.
Um, I was gonna show the Privacy Act, the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, the COPPA. That is the legislation that covers the protection of minors' safety and information online. Okay. Now, each time the federal government enacts some type of legislation, usually states follow through with that. So, in this particular document, it also says that California has enacted laws regarding children's safety and privacy online. Connecticut has, Florida has, Georgia has, Louisiana has, New York has, Tennessee has, Utah has. Okay, so and there's all you'll see all types of little bitty state legislation that will act something that's going to mirror this or even provide more protection for children online. So children have privacy rights and privacy protections under the law federally and in most states. Okay, so you can't do that. All right. Um, and we're talking about children's information. We're talking about exploiting children in any way, shape, form, or fashion. And we're talking about children that are not yours, right? We're not talking about your own. If you post your own children, that's your own children, okay? We're talking about children that aren't yours, okay? Exploiting children that don't belong to you, okay? For any reason, okay? So this article is pretty good as to what states have done with legislation to protect children. Okay, so even in New York, they have enacted a child data protection law. Okay, that will prohibit websites, mobile applications, and other online operators from collecting, using, disclosing, or selling personal information of children under the age of 18. Okay, and then it is in conjunction with COPPA, which is the federal law here that is what's governing protection online, privacy protection online. Okay, so you cannot dox your children anyway. Your children cannot be doxed either. Okay, children have a lot of privacy protection. We protect the privacy rights of children. Okay, so if anybody has any issues with that.
You know, I think a lot of people are mad that I'm bringing this to the table because they want to continue to do the bullshit that they do. Y'all tap the screen, share the live, help out with the give goal. We are talking about doxing. We are talking about doxing, and I'm always trying to bring something to the table to help the people. I get a lot of y'all like to Google everything, but I like to hear it from the source. What's up, Al? I like to hear it from the source. Y'all, can we go ahead and finish off this give goal? It's 31 of 50. If I can get y'all to get us up to 40 real quick, I need 9 more of my get for 40. This is valuable information. Thank you, Attorney Mimi. And I can appreciate someone coming and spreading the truth and not lies, because I hear people lie all the time. So y'all, let's go ahead and help out with 9 more of my give go. Hang on. 9 more of my give go. So I want these women and men that have doxed me to understand I have every right to take this to court. Even the information that Bougie has sent me also states it's been used in malicious intent. I have every right to take it to court. Anyone that comes in here, y'all take the screenshots. Y'all take the screenshots of the people harassing me in the comments. Y'all take the videos of the people that have doxed me. Share them to me, and I'll give them to the lawyer.
Did you see the comment right there? Can I mute them or block them?
Girl, I ain't paying attention to the comment. I'm trying to get... I want people like them in here to hear it, because while they harassing me, I can get their ass too.
Okay. Caroline. She's doing fine, you dumb bitch.
Awesome, babe.
Yeah, she's a goner.
Yeah, that's awesome. I can get all of you motherfuckers. Y'all worried about my ankle bracelet. Y'all worried about my pockets. Y'all worried about the wrong thing. Worry about the person that doxed me while y'all know my first name. Worry about that. Y'all make sure y'all screenshot the people that are harassing me, and then we'll mute and block them. Good job, Star Baby. Go ahead, Attorney Mimi. Continue with the lesson of teaching us why the dummies keep using their arthritis fingers to catch cramps.
I'm open to any questions and scenarios and things like that. But that is literally the gist of the law. So doxing is covered federally. It has been defined by the Department of Homeland Security. And each state probably will be instituting different legislation and laws related to doxing that may have criminal and or civil consequences to them. Okay, so doxing is illegal. Okay. And also what is illegal is exploiting children information online. That is controlled by a federal legislation by the name of Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, COPPA. Okay. And under that act, you cannot exploit children by providing their information online. Okay. Now we have the federal law, and with any federal law, any federal legislation, states usually fall suit with their own laws and their own legislation. So I also recommend you look at your state laws and what they say and what they have in connection with the COPPA Act. And so exploiting children information online is also illegal. So that is the short end of it.
You're a little muffled. You're a little muffled, babe.
Okay. Can y'all hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
So how can we go about, what should we do to prevent them from doing that again?
You can't prevent anybody from doing anything. Okay. I mean, try not to have try not to, at the bare minimum, right? Try not to put your own information online, right? But if they go out and seek out that information, right? And I told you what that means to do that, right? If they do it publicly or whatever, then that's a different story. And they bring it online, that's a different story, right? And that's how you can get them. Screenshot it, document it, report it. Simple as that.
Someone says, what can you do to a host that lets someone else dox someone else on their panel? Since they want to refer to me letting a grown-ass person do what a grown-ass person did. I don't think I'm in control of what other grown people did. What Lala did is not my problem. That's something y'all would have to take up with Lala. But I'll let her tell you the legality of that too.
So I would think that if a host allowed it on their panel and didn't do anything about it, and I want you to notice what I'm saying. If they allowed it on their panel and did not do anything about it, meaning they didn't drop them, they didn't stop them from going on and continuing to exploit the information, then they may incur I'm not saying that they will, but they may incur some liability. Okay? Depending on the state, depending on the statute. Okay? So my suggestion is, if somebody comes on your panel and does it, you either tell them they need to stop that, don't do it, right? Because you don't want to be subject to any liability. Or if they want to continue to do it, drop them. You don't have to accept them doing that type of stuff on your panel.
So the fact that I told Lala not to do that and I muted her and cut her camera off, was that doing something about it?
Yep, you actively did something. Yes. If you just let her continue going on and on and on and didn't do nothing, you could incur some liability. But because you prevented her from continuing what she was doing, then you stopped the the thing from happening, right?
Okay.
So that would save you. That would save you some. Yes.
And the fact that it's on video that I muted her and cut her camera off.
Yep. That might help you escape liability. Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. See, do you see how dumb these people be sounding? These is grown ass people. What do we do if a host allows that person? Girl, answer they dumb ass question. Cause they a dumb motherfucker. Answer they dumb ass question.
Which one?
These people are dumb as hell. Now mind you, they're listening
I
to
see.
the live. Now, Attorney Mimi, I'm glad you're sitting here because you can see the harassment, right? You can see the harassment. See it. Oh, okay. And you are a legal attorney and a mandated reporter. Am I correct?
I'm not a mandated reporter.
Okay.
And you know what's crazy? That person right there, I just blocked them because they were just in here a second ago saying disrespectful things. And they created another fucking page. You fucking pieces of shit. And now you're getting blocked again, motherfucker.
I want to answer the question, life's a journey, not a problem. What do we do if a host has allowed that person to back up and it happened again? Well, they would need to be dropped again. Right? They would need to and probably not be allowed to return on the panel because you can't. I would hate for you to be an accomplice to a situation that unnecessarily, right? I understand that. I understand that. But for you to escape some type of liability, I would think you would need to not allow that person up again. Because if you keep allowing that up, it shows that you are condoning the act. If you continue to allow them to share whatever information they're trying to share, it doesn't look like you're preventing it from happening. So there's that. Helen, I don't know what you're doing, but you can't just say incarceration is coming soon. Like, I don't know why y'all are doing that.
Hey, Annetta, they think they harassing me. No, you can't ask her anything. You don't follow me, you can get out. You can't ask her anything. You can beat it. Go back to your favorite content creator because I'm going after them. Thank you. Thank you, Trish, for being on it because my other moderator should be on it as well.
I just got back in here, y'all. I'm getting sick.
Okay, so Lala.
I snap pictures of all of them, friends. I'll send it to you.
Questions was about what you did, Lala. And I guess they're trying to say that I'm accomplice to what you have done. Attorney Mimi said as long as I reacted and made sure that I cut your camera and stuff off, that I will not be accomplice to what it is that's been done. So, people are trying to blame me for what you have done, which don't got nothing to do with me.
Well, so no, it doesn't have anything to do with you, friends, but if you just let her sit there and continue doing the act and don't do anything about it, then it's going to have something to do with you. But the fact of the matter is you made some further attempt to prevent her from doing whatever she was doing.
Okay? And I even admitted that I did it and I did not mean to.
So there's a young man named Mikey that is trying to look you up, but y'all don't have her real name.
They can look me up. They can look me up. Fine. You can look me up. You can even file a grievance with the state bar that I practice in. I do not care. Do you know how many times those things don't even go through? If you want to come for me as an attorney, please do. Please do.
She just said she is a federal prosecutor. Why would you?
I'm not a federal prosecutor.
I'm sorry,
but
she practices
what people don't understand. Hold on, Lala. Hold on, Lala. What people don't understand is lawyers have real powers. So if you want to mess with me, and I'm not one who's going to.
He's the one who doxed me. He's the one who doxed me.
No, I need to say this because that's for anybody in this chat. Okay, I need to say this. Do not think because I'm an attorney, I won't come for you. Ooh. You come for me and my bar license, you better have a real good attorney on your side. Ooh. Because I'm gonna have a whole team. And I got great colleagues who will back me up. So if you want a showdown, let's go.
Uh-oh.
That I live in. You can easily find me. I'm not hiding.
And good. I hope she filed a charges for me and her both.
I'm not hiding. File a grievance. Please file a grievance.
Oh.
I dare you to file a grievance.
And the bad part about it is no disrespect is that y'all, some of y'all YT people think y'all untouchable. Mikey, because I'm going to give her your information. What's up, 50 Shades? I'm gonna give her your information.
I'm not afraid. Friends, I'm not afraid of anyone on this internet.
I'll give
because
you.
Because here's the thing: we will take all this internet shit and we will bring it in real life. And let's see how tough you are then.
They already brought it real life when they doxed me, honey.
There's nothing. There's no way you can dox me. There's no personal information of me online.
Okay, well.
If my real name is online, but that's because I belong to a state bar. That's not doxing. You can easily look up my real name.
Showed on his live. No, I didn't see. Send the video, please. What do you mean? Did I see the name? Did I see my name showed on his live? Oh, baby, I got all the videos. I got every video of him and Scamming Claus and everybody else. Hey, Alley Cat. And the bad part about it is because I told you, because I am spreading awareness, now they trying to be on some bullshit.
Well,
What's
here's
up,
the thing.
Wheelie?
Here's the thing. I have nothing to do
Hey,
with what
Wheelie.
anybody did to you. I'm here to
You
provide
don't.
information to the general public because
I
you
am.
asked me to be here. Okay?
But is this
So
not what we supposed to use our platforms for?
you can use your platform for whatever you want to use your platform for. That's neither here or there to me.
But why do they feel like they need to try to intimidate people that's trying to do good by the people?
I'm not intimidated by anybody on this internet. I'm not. Please do. I invite you to.
Yeah, well,
I'm
she
not.
said
I'm
the same
not
thing I
scared.
said.
I am not. I am not in the least bit trembling. Because what y'all don't understand is lawyers have lawyers.
Ooh, let me mute up, child.
And they don't even need lawyers because all they gotta do is call in a favor.
Yep. And I don't even need to call in a favor. I can just there's literal lawyers out there who do nothing but represent lawyers. So let's go.
Hey, Jay. Hey, him. Child, I try to bring the real. I try to bring real truth to y'all.
I know, and have ate lunch with, have sat next to, have had personal conversations with judges. Do not play with me.
See, to be honest, these the kind of people you need on your side. These are the kind of people you need to fraternize with. These people right here that I bring to y'all on the ADHD Live to bring y'all the truth. Thank you, Starby. I'm bringing y'all the truth, and here we go with y'all same motherfuckers. Y'all same motherfuckers that doxed me. Now y'all trying to fuck with this real attorney, and y'all gonna get y'all asses toe up. And I don't have nothing to do with it. And I'm going to give her your name. I'm gonna give it to her.
Please do. Screenshot
Yes, I am.
it.
Yes. And we
Screenshot it.
talk on Instagram.
Here's the
Don't
thing.
worry about
The
it,
best
baby.
thing. The best thing about my
Yeah.
profession is that I love evidence.
I got
Get it.
all the stuff for you.
So give
I
it
get
to me.
I'm gonna give it to you. You know we Instagram buddies. I'm gonna give it to you. I got you. Everybody, and I'm gonna give it to you. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, let's get two more. My kids go.
Yeah,
I don't even know why
am
y'all fucking with a
100%.
real
I am
attorney.
100% about my business. I'm 100% about what I do. I'm 100% about my license. And if you want to try me, you're gonna see how serious I am. I don't play. I don't mess with nobody on this app. I pop in people's lives. I just sit and chill. I don't really even comment that much. So for somebody to try to come after me and look me up, you better
Well,
have
that's
a good.
because they want
You
to
have.
intimidate you to get down from here, spreading the truth. While they continue to
I'm just
dox me and my
providing
children.
information. I'm providing information. Information they can actually look up. Information they can verify with another attorney if they would like to. If they don't like what I'm saying, tough.
They don't like the fact that you just let the people know that they ass can get arrested for the shit that they do. Yes, ma'am. They don't like the fact that you just made the people aware of the things that they do is illegal and that they can be sued and things to be handled in a legal manner and all the things. So they're trying to intimidate us over here like they've been doing, Mimi. They've been trying to intimidate me from giving the truth. Yeah. Can somebody give a commercial break, please? Thank you.
Hold on. Regardless of your situation, though, friend.
You muffled, Mimi.
Oh, okay. Sorry. Can y'all hear me?
Yes.
Regardless of your situation, friends, right? People have been doxing on this app for a very long time. I have been on this app for literal years, and I've watched it happen. I have not said a damn thing, okay? And I've seen many people do it, okay? I don't say anything. I turn a blind eye. I look away.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I just wanted to remind y'all about a powerful black woman.
Do you hear me?
Heard that? Let's run that back again.
Do you do speaking to me is a privilege. You do not have privileges.
I
Okay, it
love that
might have been
quote.
a show, but it's real ones like that out here. Stop
I,
fucking playing. Look at
I
Jasmine
like that.
Crockett.
Thank you,
I'm gonna drop
Cartel.
back down to the comments and mind my business again, like I've been doing. Thank you.
I like that. Thank you, Cartel. I like that.
Hey, Cartel,
Absolutely.
thank you. But see, they wasn't expecting us to come in here like this. Rambo, you could leave. You're not welcome. Could you please leave out of my live before we escort you out of the live?
Oh, I know it's not scandal, but it can be, baby.
But I'm saying, you see how we coming together and we bringing information to the people? Oh, they don't like that, Cartel. Hey, Breezy, what's up, sis? They don't like that, Cartel. They don't like us giving the people real information, not the fake, because remember they said that because it's public information, it could be used. But it's been told here today that it cannot be used under malicious intent.
For the
Rambo,
people that don't like it, I'm gonna just leave you on this. You know, it's a lot of shit y'all don't like, and if we gave a fuck, it might mean something. But I'll never give a fuck.
But we don't
Y'all
give a
will
fuck.
never make me give a fuck.
We don't give a fuck.
Right, that part. I'm gonna
We
drop
don't give a
back
fuck.
down, friends, and again keep minding my business because that's what I've
Okay,
been doing.
Cartel.
But I seen somebody pressing a black professional woman, and I don't take kindly to shit like that.
Yeah, it's Mikey. They over there talking
Knock
about
it!
Mikey.
Oh my god, the last person, knock it!
But that's okay.
Scram.
I'm gonna give Attorney Mimi his information. No problem.
Yeah, scram, Mikey, please, scram, get the fuck on out of here. All right, let me go.
They
All
better
right, Cartel.
look. They better have a good lawyer, a lot of money, and a good lawyer
I
to
got you,
fight me.
Attorney Mimi. I'm gonna give it to you. No problem.
Yeah, they better have a good lawyer and a lot of money to fight me.
and Rambo,
Invincible.
it's none of your business if Lala sends friends money for her lawyer. So, yeah. Can I just block him or her?
Nope. Let them listen.
Okay. Okay.
I ain't pressed, baby. They pressed. They more pressed than me. They
I
in
know
my
they
life.
are.
I in there. They more
You're
pressed than
absolutely
you,
right.
man. Y'all gotta realize the haters ain't gonna do nothing but what they do. They gonna watch and hate, and they gonna talk their shit.
Yeah.
Let them keep watching, cause they ain't doing nothing but getting the real knowledge. I'm giving real knowledge out here. I'm giving real knowledge out here.
Don't worry about what I send friends. Mind your fucking business.
I will stop
I'm
reacting
just
to the
not like
motherfuckers.
most.
I will stop reacting to
Rainbow,
them.
Hey
you need to worry about
everyone.
where we about to send you, because we about to send you to the lobby with no snacks, okay? One more
Right.
comment in your ass is gone. I'm sick of dealing with you.
So,
Well,
friends, you don't want them to be muted and blocked?
no,
You
I
said
want
that's
them
what you
because we gotta know that these people, we let them be where they are. Let them
okay.
be where they
Okay.
are,
I
because
didn't
they're making
understand.
themselves look like a damn fool. I ain't making myself look like a fool. I got an attorney in here watching this.
Yeah, because I was definitely muting and blocking their asses because I ain't about to go back and forth with a hoe. So, but if you
Friends,
say that, okay, cool.
friends, I want to tell you, I've been watching Messy Talk for a very long time.
Oh yeah.
And I'm talking about since the pandemic. Since 2020, I have been on this app.
That's when I joined too, Mimi.
And I don't say nothing. I hardly come in panels. I rarely comment. I just sit back and watch.
We
I'm
be
not a
chilling.
mandatory reporter, so I don't have to report anything. But when you try to come for me, do know and do understand. That's a game you don't want to play with.
Those money.
Somebody
Yeah.
was just asking, is streaming other people's lives against the law?
No,
No, it's not. It's not. It's not
Here's
against
your
the law.
answer, guys.
it's not against the law. There's nothing wrong with that. It may be considered content if you want to be honest with everyone. Like it could be considered content. It could be considered they could be considered a content creator, right? What's a video, right? If you're streaming somebody's live, you're recording it and you edit the video, that's content creation. You're taking something and making it your own, that's content creation. So no.
Rambo, it seems like you and your minions are more worried about what's happening with friends than she is.
Right. Y'all don't I ain't don't nobody see me. I'm prayed up, baby. It's people like that that's using their fingertips to catch arthritis to type all of this downstairs to get attention. I'm not giving them no attention. Y'all don't even see me calling their name. Mm-mm.
All right, so there's 160 people in here. We should be at over 50,000 taps already.
Where are all these people coming from?
The YT side. So these are YT people picking with me. This not Black Messy Top.
Okay.
These the YT people because they mad that I allow other YT people in my space to get real information about them being doxxed by the people. Oh yeah, you white for sure.
They said, well, one of the FOE members said they will be there since they are close. That's what Rambo just said, too.
Okay, so
y'all
let
be
me
there.
just say this.
I don't know what she's, or he.
I'm not
she-
exactly sure when court became like a picnic. I think you have to have a purpose for walking in the courtroom, don't you? You just can't go sit
But
and observe.
I'm gonna tell you what, that's not even
Actually,
my
you can,
In
Lala.
criminal court,
I've done it many
you can.
times.
Just not in family
Well,
court.
you're an attorney. I'm not. Us
Well, no.
normal people-
No. So you can go and unless there's a reason for the court to be closed, you can pretty much go and observe a court hearing. And there's nothing illegal wrong with that. The only time that will be a problem is if there's like a gag order or the court is closed for that particular session. But there's no law against somebody walking off the street and going in a courthouse, sitting in the back of a courtroom and watching the show.
Right, unless it's family court.
Nope, not even family court.
They put us out. Even DCF, they put us out now.
We could do that. We could literally do that here where I'm at.
Really? What? Oh, you got to inbox me.
So is that a state by state thing, or is that a just?
It actually might be a judge's policy, right? So judges may make a policy of out if you're not a party to a case in the courtroom at the time that you can't be there. But we don't generally have those type of policies here. Like judges don't really make policies like that. It's literally open to anybody.
Well, I say that because I know, like, in the 2 states I've lived in, that it was the judge's policy that if you're not related to the case or you're not here with somebody related to the case, you got to go.
Now, one thing in family court that judges do not allow, most courts do not allow, is children in the courtroom. So even if there's a child that's not related to any of the cases that are being heard today, no children are allowed in court at all whatsoever.
I have heard that. Yeah, I've heard that unless they're related to the case. Yeah, I've heard that across.
And even if they're related to the case, they still don't want them there. They don't want them to hear those type of things.
Right. I think they like take them behind closed doors in the judge's chamber.
Yeah, it's called in camera. So they'll have an in camera review of the child if that's what they want to do.
So when they doing like adoptions and they doing like if the sync cases, they will allow the public to come in on them cases.
Adoptions are usually closed. You could have now if there's certain judges here that have what's called an adoption docket, right? And so that's when they like do adoption day or whatever, right? They'll let and so in those type of things, anybody can be there. And usually those are the things we actually really want to witness. To be honest with you, I love sitting there watching adoptions. Because it's to me it's the most beautiful thing. So technically those are not closed to the public. Adoptions aren't. But anytime there is something that's concerning a child that's not an adoption, and the court says that they're closed for it, it'll be closed. But more 9 times out of 10, anybody can walk off the street, go and walk into a courtroom, and just sit in the back of the room.
What does y'all judges do down there? Okay, so for instance, down here, if 2 parents are in jail and it's a sync case, then they automatically take the kid into custody. They won't let us direct place with like a family member. What do they do down there?
They tend to like to find a family member to place them with first, just so you know that the child has more familiarity with a family member. But if they cannot find a familiar, a family member, then DCF will go ahead and place them with into the system, and with the temporary
Okay, let
form.
me do a short commercial break because I see I got to do the commercial breaks and everything. So y'all tap the screen, share the live. Let's complete the gift goal. Grab your daily heart, me, and all the things. Make sure that you all are tapping the screen. We should be up to 100K. You are getting your questions answered. Do not forget to send your popular and your roses, which keep me. Oh, we are back in the B4 rankings, y'all. Let's go ahead and get up in the B3 rankings. But we need our daily heart me's. We need our gifts, and we also need
So,
to.
friends, let me address Miss whoever
Oh
Sloop
yeah,
is.
I'm gonna let you. Yeah. I saw them. I knew you was.
Um,
I just want them to get my gifts before you start going off, because that's why they over here. They want action, but I need my gifts. You know what I'm saying? I don't really want you to be giving them no action, but I know you about to.
Because here's the thing. I mean, I'm glad you said.
Go ahead. Let me be quiet. I'm gonna mute up. I'm gonna mute up and
I'm
let you
glad
have
you
the
said
panel.
that, Mother Moon, because I'm not giving anybody legal advice. I'm providing legal information. Sloot, if you do not know the difference between providing legal advice and providing legal information, you probably need to go have a seat somewhere. Sit down. Sit this one out.
They're not an attorney.
Not
They're not an
not
attorney.
not your arena. Okay?
They're not an attorney. Wait a minute.
I'm a put
Let
it.
me tell you why they're not an attorney is because they didn't advise the people that were doxing people not to dox anyone, but they're advising you not to give legal consultation or whatever you want to call it.
I'm just providing legal information. I'm just providing information. Nobody here has asked me to provide them advice on a particular situation. That is legal advice. I'm gonna tell you what a judge told a pro se person yesterday in court. This is my arena. This is what I do, and you are at an unfair advantage. Okay? That's what she told someone who was pro se, and I was on the other side. So do know, come play at my playground. I do this for
See, they want to
fun.
get you. They want to get you upset and all the things because they ain't shit. Oh, thank
I'm
you,
not
Valley
upset.
Girl.